Now this short lecture is about unrelated content, so about posting the occasional unrelated post on your Facebook page to get more interaction and engagement. Now this kind of post works well, but only do it occasionally and keep it light. So don't post anything about any atrocities that are going on around the world at the moment or any disasters, that kind of thing. But here's an example of something that would resonate with a lot of people if you posted this in the winter where the weather was very bad, lots of people were getting snowstorms, that kind of thing. And you could post something like this, share something like this. And I found this particular piece of content just by typing into Google the search term lots of snow. Now if I wanted to share this on my page, even though my page had nothing to do with this, nothing to do with Japan, nothing to do with snow, nothing to do with weather, it's still something that can get a lot of engagement. So if I was going to post this in the winter when the weather's really bad and we know there's lots of places getting a lot of snow, lots of people complaining about the weather and complaining about the snow, complaining about driving conditions, that kind of thing. So I want to post this on my page, and then obviously I'm going to choose on a page you manage, and I would write something like so you think you've got snow. It's interesting, it's got the wow factor, it's totally unrelated, but it's topical to what's going on. You wouldn't post this in the middle of summer, obviously. You post it at a time where snow is a talking point. So that's the unrelated post, and that can work very well. Just do it occasionally though, and as I say, keep it light-hearted, keep it light, don't do anything heavy, getting people involved in political discussions or anything like that, unless your page happens to be about that anyway.